Welcome to this short video on how to create an ORCiD profile and import publications from Scopus. ORCiD, short for Open Researcher and Contributor ID, is a unique digital identifier that distinguishes you from every other researcher with the same or a similar name to you. Additionally, ORCiD is more than just a digital identifier. It is your dynamic and evolving CV that makes all your research publications visible to the world. Imagine it as a digital card for all your research achievements. This profile is like your scholarly DNA, connecting you to every research paper, publication, and project you've ever been a part of. To create an ORCiD ID, go to www.orcid.org. Click on Register, and then Register Now. You are now on step 1 of 3. Complete the form and click on Next. Key in your password. Note the requirements for the password. Confirm your password, and then click on Next. Select your preferred visibility setting. Set the visibility on everyone, as that will ensure that your work is widely accessible. You may click on more information on visibility settings to learn more. Agree to the terms of use and then click on Register. To start creating your profile, go back to the ORCiD homepage and sign in using the email address and password you provided when registering. Note that you can reset the password should you forget it in the future. Click on the pencil icons to enter all the required fields such as your name, websites, social links, and many more. Next up, click on Add to capture your employment, education, and qualifications, as well as your professional activities. Add the funding you have received for your research. Then add your research works. After clicking on the Add link under Works, use the Search link option to find your Scopus publications. Note the other options for adding works such as DOI, PubMed ID, and manual entry. The bib text option is suited for importing works from Google Scholar. See the UJ Library video on how to export publications from Google Scholar into ORCiD. Continuing with finding your Scopus publications, click on the Scopus Elsevier link. You are now on Scopus profile. Ensure that your name and affiliation is displayed. Note that this is step 1 of 6. Click in the checkbox and then on Next to continue with the rest of the steps until the end. And there you have it. Your Scopus publications should now be on ORCiD. Please refresh the page if they do not appear immediately.
The University of Johannesburg. The future reimagined.